Amazon smile. This is the blue light special. We are survivors over here. Nope, not an hour. Dang, it didn't work. Hello, Enjoy Mar.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be.
Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Lori, and if you are new here, go ahead and subscribe and be a part of the survival group. We are survivors over here. So today we are going to do some errands, and we got to pick up my vitamin D3 from Walgreens, and I'm at Trader Joe's right now. I did not know it was one right here till my BFF mentioned it. I'm like, oh, Trader Joe's. Let me go over here real quick. So let's go in the store and see what they got really quick. Bye.
And I make iced tea and I make it where you love it. Yeah.
Hello, Enjoy Mar. So we are at the mall. It's called Somerset. I gotta find me some more makeup. I want my double wear Estee Lauder back. I want some Fenty lip gloss and maybe some perfume today. Let's go see. And I am also waiting on Wana to meet up for dinner because she's going out of town this weekend. So we're gonna hit this spot out here that's vegan friendly. So I'll see y'all either in the mall or at dinner.
One of them ones. Western Road flows, I did it for my granny. Back when we couldn't buy pizza cause we were down to pennies. Feel like we go back a century, run to the store for centuries. Then bring it back to your brother, man, we had to respect it. He was wavy doing mixtapes out of your basement. He let it take it on occasion for entertainment. Then he would leave us at the house and go out on a mission. We probably would have got in less trouble just going with him. Feel like I never say much, but man, that's a lot to know. Feel like the difference between us really starting to show. I'm looking at they first.
Please enjoy your meal. I am going back. Welcome to our restaurant.
For celebration, you number one and I'm Eddie Murphy. We trading places. Look in the mirror, I'm closer than I really appear.
I see you couldn't wait to eat without me. Nope, not an hour.
Creeping like chili without the tender love and care. No tender love and care, no love and affection. I got a price on my head, but there's a risk to collecting. I might be here as a vessel to teach people a lesson. Feel like they wanted me dead, but couldn't pull it together. Yeah. But here we are, and it's a new semester. 40, the only one that know how I deal with the pressure. A couple nights where it started to feel like the feelings faded. A lot of problems that can't be fixed with a conversation. Yeah. Your best day is my worst day. I get green like Earth Day. You treat me like I'm born yesterday. You forgot my birthday. You don't be scoring perfect. You don't be working like how we be working. You platinum like rappers on Hershey's. Boy, that's what it's worthless.
Don't be the places I been, in the grand that I stand. Don't be sick, best friend, you're no damn hoe. That's off the same like me. That's off the same like me.
Man, you don't know damn hoe. Stop playing hoe. Keep tripping, I don't want your window. You a fan hoe. Little bitch place you up out your spot. I heard you was fucking in the band though. I'm just saying though. I done heard about you, bitch. You ain't low. They think he's close and he gets that shit like duh. You don't know damn hoe. No duh, buddy, all honey. I'ma take that dick, don't run from me. These days can't get no love from me. He addicted like I drugs on me. When we done, might fuck your home. Hit him one time, he ain't heard from. Say I'm ice cold, put a fur on. Might had a bitch, but not like me. You know damn hoe like me. That fuck it up like me. That sex souls like me. Got him begging on his knees, then you know damn hoe. A 10, a face to make him spin. Get your buzz up, I run it up. I bet I do it again. That's how change like this. I change like this. 100,000 on my wrist. Really on this. That's how change like this. I change like this. 100,000 on my wrist. Really on this. LV my carrier. Marble on my interior. Flying inside a Lear too. Black truck, know it's bulletproof. Don't approach me, bitch. Who is you? I'm a starter, bitch. I bench you. You the same shit. Ain't nothing new. Y'all in the zone.
I can't go get it for you. Go get it. Go get it. Go get the ball. Go get it. Okay, y'all, I'm outside in a snowstorm. Sitting here trying to figure out this new gadget in the car. So we not shaking and stuff. I don't know. Let's see. Let's drive home and see. I'm just right next door to my house at Kroger. And it's a slip and slide situation out here. It's horrible. Absolutely horrible. Dang, am I stuck? Well, no. I got an all-wheel drive car. I ain't stuck. Backup assist and everything is covered with snow, so it's not working. So you gotta old-fashioned drive, like actually looking out the mirror. Like, I came to get me and Miyaki some stuff because we're gonna be snowed in. It is absolutely terrible outside, y'all. I need to see if it's stable. Please don't shake like the other one did. And please don't fall off. Don't drop the survivors on the floor. I just saw this camera holder for your car on Peyton's channel. And I bought it immediately before she sold it out. You know, when she mentions something, you can't find it no more. It moves so many different ways. My brother is sending me one that goes on the rear view mirror, and it has double everything. Like, I can't wait till that comes in the mail. So we're gonna do an unboxing when that comes. It's coming from Japan. He ordered it from Amazon, but he put it together for me and everything. We will be opening that. He sent some other stuff for Japan too, so I can open on my vlog. That'll be fun. Okay, I'm liking this so far, but I don't know about the stabilization. I don't know if I'll be able to eliminate it in the CapCut app as I edit the video, but we can give it a try. I don't think there's any mount that won't shake at all in a car. I don't think that exists, but we have arrived at home already. And I can't walk Miyaki in this mess. He gonna have to stay in the house with me. It's supposed to snow for hours and hours and hours. Don't start singing that song, y'all. Don't start singing it. And the weekend ride the boogie, share that heat of love. I wanna This is what we do in snowstorms. We do all kinds of things at home. Hi, Miyaki. Hi, Miyaki. Hi, Miyaki. Wee. Wee, wee, wee. Whoop, whoop. Let's see if you're dizzy. Can you walk? You okay? Come on. You not dizzy? Dang, it didn't work. Alright, we had a new car wash. Let's see how this works. Would you like your receipt? Yes, I have Fetch Rewards. Of course I want my receipt. Let's try the new car wash to get all this snow and ice off my car and from underneath it.
Face. What you say? Oh, you have it? Alright, wait. Bitch, 2-4 baby king, fucking me. I am here, ho, ice cream, booger, color, tits, sub, zero, no, ho, boogers in my clique. We don't fear, ho, lit, 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 lit.
morning. It is Saturday and I have been invited to a black tie event last minute. Look at me. Look at me. I said yes. So I got a few hours to pull it together, but here's the kicker. I don't even have a dress. The things I put myself through. So I'm gonna get ready and I'm gonna find something to where I'm gonna go to the mall and get something formal. I don't know. Black long dress or black like wide leg pantsuit. And pull this hair into something. I don't know, but okay, right now I look like this. And you'll see what I'm gonna look like in a minute. Wish me luck, y'all. We got a package too from Amazon. Yeah, we do. Package, Amazon, smile. It's not for you. It's not your package. Yeah, bye. New tripod because my old one is moving around too much. It's old. I've used it a lot. Oh, and this is my shower shelves. Love these. Can't wait to put them up. That's what they look like. And we'll be hanging those up. It came 2 in a pack. I hope this is a better tripod because I'm tired of going through tripods. For real. Let's see. Okay. Oh, this is not yours. It ain't yours. Okay. Oh yeah. This looks like the one that I need. Okay, y'all. I kind of got my face together. Just a little bit. So now I'm about to run to the mall and see if I can find something really quick. Something simple, long black dress, maybe velvet. I don't know, like, I don't know. Okay, y'all, I was successful in finding a last minute outfit at Macy's and it stayed under $100. And I just went into Forever 21 to get some little studs to go in my ears. But I don't like this rush stuff. I want to plan everything out and, you know, moisturize my skin and think about what I'm going to wear and order it online and all that. All this last minute. But I made it happen. So I'll show y'all what I got when I get home. But I'll be rushing, so. Okay, y'all, I pulled it off. Pulled it off. So I'm going to show y'all my finished look. And we can go out the door. Out the door, out the door. Click, clack, click, clack. All right, let me turn on my mirror so you guys can see what I am working with. So I have on this rhinestone accented jumpsuit. It is from Macy's, like I said, and it was under $100. And I have on my infamous Steve Madden badass boots. That's what I call them anyway. But yeah, and then I'm carrying, this was my mom's old purse, and just a little silver accent to get it popping. I have on my Fendi watch, little jewelry, and I just picked up these little studs from Forever 21 really fast to kind of polish off an elegant look. So let me know in the comments if you like my outfit that I got in like 2 minutes.
Nobody dresses like people from Michigan. You know what I'm saying?
union is all about. All the issues that we care about. People being respected and protected at work. People being able to retire with dignity and all of their money.
Hey y'all, this is the Blue Light Special. We had such a good time tonight. The civil rights dinner with my union. It was so cool. We had a nice little hall. They served so many vegan items. I was so happy. They had salad first, then vegetables, then potatoes, and rice. And then they brought out the chicken. So I was already full off of all of that. And then they had the most pretty, oh my God, they had the prettiest fruit cutout thingy I've ever seen. I'm gonna insert a clip or show you somewhere in the vlog, but oh, it was so nice. It was very unexpected. I never have attended a black tie event before, and I thought it was quite nice. We took a lot of pictures, had fun, mingled with co-workers. It's nice to see people from your job not at work. You know, everyone looks so very pretty and so very nice. The snow was kind of melted and gone, so I didn't fall. Try to go in the building, but it was a very nice. They had the Lieutenant Governor speaking, Lieutenant Governor of Michigan. He spoke, and a couple more people. And then we had a live band and food, of course. And you know, it was pretty cool. I enjoyed myself. But I am about to use my new wipes from Forever 21. I know you can't see anything right now, but I'm about to use my new wipes and go to bed. I will talk to y'all later. Bye. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night.